Main production process: raw materials, wet grinding, spray drying, raw blank pressing, low pressure sintering. 1. Raw materials. The selection of tungsten carbide raw materials is crucial in the production of tungsten carbide rolls. Currently, domestic cemented carbide manufacturers generally opt for 3 grades of tungsten carbide raw materials. The German HE Stark brand stands at the forefront and is generally used for manufacturing tool blanks with exceptionally high precision requirements for fine or ultrafine particles. Occupying the second tier is Xiamen Golden Egret, GASAC, a brand specifically used for producing the powder pressed into cold rolling mill blanks in our factory. GASAC is presently considered the best domestic brand in terms of quality, albeit at a relatively higher price. The third tier comprises powders from other Chinese brands, which may contain recycled materials. Many manufacturers use these powders for pressing cold rolling mill blanks, possibly under the belief that cold rolling rolls are products with low demands and using moderately qualified materials can still achieve cost-effective pressing. 2. Wet grinding, wet milling, ball milling. Wet grinding of cemented carbide is a critical process in the production, directly influencing the quality of cemented carbide products. Within the wet grinding machine, 3 tons of cemented carbide balls are placed for continuous grinding, creating a process similar to a washing machine drum in motion. This effectively grinds the mixture of tungsten carbide and cobalt powders into raw materials with varying particle sizes. For our cold rolling mill series products, the raw materials are primarily of medium-sized or coarse particles. 3. Spray drying. Spray drying towels are commonly used gas-liquid droplet separation devices. They disperse liquid or solution into tiny droplets, allowing them to come into contact with a cooling medium. This rapid cooling causes the droplets to condense, ultimately separating solid or liquid particles from the cooling medium through a separation device. This process is applicable in various fields such as gas-liquid droplet separation, particle collection, and gas purification, and is widely used in industries like chemical engineering, environmental protection, and food. The working temperature inside the spray tower ranges from 90 to 96 degrees Celsius, and it is filled with nitrogen gas. After the powder is dried, it descends and becomes the dried raw material. Particle size and uniformity are typically controlled by the size of the spray nozzles. Fully automated equipment is not influenced by human factors. The powder particles after spraying have good roundness and uniform size, resulting in high density after pressing. Therefore, sintering does not lead to situations such as cracking, layering, or uneven density. The larger the size of the spray tower, the better the atomization effect, as the increased falling space enhances gravity. You can observe that spray towers of the dimensions found in our factory are the largest among peers in Zhuzhou. Few other manufacturers utilize spray drying towers for the production of cold rolling rolls, mainly due to the associated increase in production costs. 4. Roll blank pressing. After selecting suitable raw materials in the preliminary stages, the pressing phase becomes a crucial factor in differentiating product quality. The proficiency of workers in this stage holds significant influence, particularly in our factory where we have 5 skilled workers dedicated to pressing the large roll blank products, each with over 10 years of experience. Accurate weighing of the powder, uniform addition to the mold, and smoothing the powder within the mold are tasks that require a highly specialized touch. Pressing and demolding demand a great deal of professionalism. Inexperienced workers may lead to inaccuracies in material addition and uneven spreading, resulting in significant size deviations, potential chipping at internal chamfers, or uneven surfaces in the sintered blanks. 5. Low pressure sintering. The pressed blanks of cold rolling rolls are placed into a low-pressure sintering furnace for the sintering process. Through the application of high temperature and pressure, the cemented particles bind together, forming a robust and wear-resistant material. The low-pressure sintering furnace is equipped with various functions, including dewaxing, vacuum sintering, low-pressure treatment, and atmosphere sintering. The primary purpose of low-pressure sintering is to reduce microscopic pores within the cemented carbide. Pores within the sintered body are eliminated during the vacuum sintering phase, while the pressurization phase is primarily focused on eliminating microscopic pores. Low porosity is a crucial indicator of high-quality cemented carbide, and minimizing pores within cemented carbide is a primary pursuit for professionals in the industry. Currently, we have 4 low-pressure sintering furnaces, HIP furnace, under the Ruideer brand. which is considered the best domestic brand in China. These 4 furnaces can approximately sinter 30 tons of cemented carbide products each month. Many manufacturers producing cold rolling mill blanks generally avoid using low pressure sintering furnaces due to the associated increase in production costs. Due to our unwavering commitment to quality control in every stage of production, we are reluctant to sacrifice quality for cost reduction in any process. It is this dedication that enables our cold rolling mill series products to secure a significant position in the fiercely competitive market.